The Telugu Desam Party, which is away from the Assembly and Lok Sabha elections in Telangana, is preparing to contest in the local body elections. Party leader Nara Chandrababu Naidu, who has focused on strengthening the party in the state, has called upon the party leaders to be ready to contest in local body elections. He said that the youth will be encouraged in the elections this time. He said that the party president will be appointed for Telangana soon. Chandrababu met party leaders in Telangana at his residence in Jubilee Hills. He explained to them why the party was away from contesting the Assembly and Lok Sabha elections and the circumstances that led to it. He asked them to prepare for the upcoming local body elections. He said that TDP will exist in both the Telugu states as long as there is a Telugu nation. Chandrababu told them that he could not focus on Telangana due to the developments in AP and would allocate time from now on.